Good afternoon, Harika. Good afternoon, Harika.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Daksh. Okay, let us wait. Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon, sir.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Gurve Namah. White to plain, checkmate black. Two bishop checkmate.
Sir,
Sir,
KE,
Bishop.
KE2.
KE2. Now I'm king D4. Good afternoon, Tarun. Good afternoon.
Sir,
Afternoon,
BG1.
sir.
Good afternoon, Daksh. BG1 na? I will move king E5. D5. What will you do? King E5.
KD, KD3.
KD3. KD.
Sir, BD4. BD4.
King C6. What will you do?
Sir, KE4. KE4.
KD7.
Sir, BD5.
B5.
E5.
Now king E7. What will you do?
Sir,
Sir,
King to F5.
KE5.
KE5. Now KD7. What will you do?
Sir, KF5.
KF5. KF5. Okay. Now KE7. What will you do?
Sir, BE6. BE6.
B6. I move king D8.
Sir, BD6.
BD6. Now I move king C. All king E8.
Sir, KF6.
KF6. Then king will move to here. D8.
Sir, BB8.
Sir, King to
Sir,
G6.
BB8.
1 minute.
BB8.
1 minute. 1
A
minute.
waiting move.
BB8.
Yes, sir.
Now I move king here. What will you do? King here. Only move is king D8. King E8.
Sir, BC7.
BC7. Okay. Now king C8. Oh, good afternoon. Good afternoon, sir. Sir.
Sir,
Good afternoon.
BD7.
How are you?
Good afternoon, sir.
BD7.
BD7. Okay. Now king here. What will you do?
Sir, KG6. KG6.
KG6. Now I'll move here. What will you do?
Sir, BD6.
King here.
Sir, Bishop to E6.
E6.
E6,
King E6. King H8.
Sir,
Sir, Bishop to
BE5.
E5.
Can you do it
BE5.
once again? Can you do it once again?
Yes, sir.
Bishop.
Okay. Can you do it once again? Can you do?
Sir, Bishop to G1.
Now
No.
king here. F5. What will you do?
Sir,
Sir, King
KE2.
to E2.
KE2.
K E4. K E5.
Sir,
Sir, Bishop
KD3.
to
KD3.
KD3. K C5. KD6.
Sir, BD4.
BD4. King C6.
Sir, KE4.
KE4. King C6. D6.
Sir, BD5.
BD5. King G7.
Sir, BC5.
BC5.
Sir,
BC5.
BC5.
Now king D7.
KE5.
KE5. K8.
Sir, KE6.
KE6. KD8. Are of you watching it? Today, Giridhar
Yes, sir.
has not joined and some so
Sir, BB6. BB6.
now king E8.
Sir, BC6.
BC6. Now K
Sir, KF6.
KF6. Okay. Now
Sir, KG6.
KG6. Okay. Good afternoon, Arush. Good afternoon, Anjali.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Anjali. Good afternoon, Arush.
Sir, BC5.
Anjali, can you hear me?
Sir, BC5.
Anjali,
Yes, sir.
can you hear me? Okay. Now king G8.
Sir, BD5.
Now king H8.
BD4.
Very
BD4.
correct. Can we go to checkmate problem? The three
Yes, sir.
puzzles. 1 minute.
Yes, sir.
Sir, the screen.
I'll share. I'll not share. White to play and win. White to play and win.
Sir, pawn into pawn.
Pawn to pawn, bishop into pawn.
Sir, first bishop to bishop.
Sir,
First
the
move.
knight into pawn.
Sir, first move is
Pawn to pawn, bishop b3. What will you do? Bishop b3.
Knight into bishop.
Knight
Knight
into
into
bishop.
pawn.
Knight into
Bishop. Knight
Sir,
into
then the
bishop.
rook will kill the rook, no, sir.
pawn to pawn.
but
Again, Sir, knight into bishop.
Knight into bishop.
Sir, pawn into pawn.
Pawn to pawn. Now what will you do?
No, sir, knight into bishop.
No, now e7. E7. King e7, then knight c6. You are one rook up.
Yeah, sir.
One rook up. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
Okay, sir.
King it is for ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ?
Sir,
Whatever you do, it will be one rook up. What is that?
Sir, after knight takes knight, we can also capture. Opponent can also capture our rook. No, sir.
No, then one rook up.
Oh,
No,
look into rook.
rook into rook. Now king moves here. King moves here. Then rook into rook. Rook into rook. Then knight into rook. One rook up. No, one
that
rook
one,
up.
sir.
so then knight into rook, sir.
Exchange up.
That
Exchange up.
Now,
and
no
back
doubt,
to moves
we
it.
will only win.
Sir, need to move step back.
Okay.
Good afternoon, sir.
Pawn to pawn. Good afternoon, Samat. Samat.
Sir, it
Yes,
on
sir.
takes.
So your voice is
on-
breaking.
No, my voice is clear. That's voice is breaking. What is that?
Sir,
Sir?
Sir, we king takes pawn. King takes pawn.
Okay. Then knight
Sir,
c6.
Sir, we king get fate. King get fate.
King f8. Then rook into rook. Rook into rook. You are
Sir,
one.
we can do knight into rook, no, sir. We
Knight
can
into
save
rook.
the two rooks also then.
No. Yeah, one rook exchange of better position. No, white is better
Sir,
position.
it doesn't
Sir,
matter.
can you show
It
it
doesn't
back?
matter. It
We
doesn't
take
matter.
with the knight, then bishop into rook.
Bishop into rook is there. Bishop into rook is there. If they would take with the rook, knight. Can you go to next problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Giridhar, why you joined late? Giridhar? Black to plain bin. I flip the board. Black to plain bin. Black to plain.
Good afternoon, sir.
So knight into pawn.
No. Black to plain.
Black to play, sir.
Black to play.
RB2.
RB2. RB2. R is already in B2.
C2, sir.
Sir, rook to c2.
Then queen will come here. It's wrong.
Sir, rook
Sir,
to
knight
e2.
h4. Knight h4.
Knight H4. Then knight into knight.
Sir, rook to e2.
No, rook movement. This black rook sacrifice. Join now.
Sir, rook to a1.
Rook to B1 is correct. Now queen to B1. Can you tell the next move?
Sir, knight into pawn.
Knight into pawn. Okay.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Jida. Now king G1.
So the pawn can kill the knight, no, sir.
Then it can't kill. It is pinned. Now what? Two moves checkmate. Can you tell?
Queen into knight.
Queen into knight. Correct.
So unstoppable.
Unstoppable checkmate. Jida, how are you? How many of you have joined the tournament on August 15th?
Sir, I
Sir,
have
I
joined.
have joined, sir. Sir, I have also
I've
joined.
joined, sir.
Oh. Anjali, you have joined. Anjali has joined, I think, no? White to plain win. I flip the board. White to plain win. White to plain.
Sir, NE7.
Sir, NE7 I got it. NE7.
No, sir, Queen h7.
Queen H7 is
H7.
correct. Queen H7 is
H7.
correct. Now king into H7.
So then pawn into bishop check.
On to bishop check. King here. King
So
G7.
then knight to f4 checkmate.
NE7.
Knight
Knight to
f4.
knight
Knight
to
f4.
E7 checkmate. Knight to E4 check.
Knight e6.
Knight
Sir,
E7
knight.
E7
Sir,
checkmate.
Sir,
E7
knight to f4 is checkmate.
Knight to F4, then king can go to F5. King can go to
Okay.
F5.
Yeah, sir, can you go back? Knight to
Knight to
e7.
E7 is correct. Knight to
Okay, sir.
white to plain win.
Sir, rook into knight.
Into knight. Queen to rook.
Sir,
Sir, then
rook
pawn
to
to
d.
pawn.
Huh?
No, sir, can you go back?
Bishop.
Sir, first move is pawn into pawn.
Pawn into pawn is wrong. Pawn push is correct. You did it?
Yes, sir. Pawn push.
E7. Pawn push.
Pawn to e7.
Now rook E8, what will you do?
Sir, I think rook d8.
Sir,
Rook
then
d8.
D8.
rook d8, sir.
Rook D8, now what will you do? Now you can.
Sir, then pawn promotion.
No. Rook movement.
No, sir, pawn into rook. Pawn
No,
into
that
rook.
is wrong.
Sir,
Sir,
rook into knight. Rook into knight.
Rook into knight is correct. Rook into knight. Whatever you. Did you get it?
Going to be checkmate, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
The queen is going to go or
the
will be
checkmate is not forced, yeah.
Checkmate.
The queen will go.
So what if queen moves somewhere?
When you move somewhere, then
pawn will kill the rook.
Sir, rook d.
Kill the rook and
you are two pieces up. One piece up. One piece.
Sir, white can kill it from the bishop, no, sir.
Bishop also can kill, but one
No,
piece
sir.
up. Bishop kills, then queen D8 checkmate. Queen E8 checkmate.
No, sir. Can you go back?
Whatever you do, one piece up. Three
Sir, now RD7.
or D7. RD7. Then look here. But one piece of that's it.
sir, then rook to d8.
Okay, sir.
One bishop. One bishop for white. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? 3 pieces for the
Yes, sir.
7 pieces.
Yes, sir.
White to play in
Sir,
B.
I will send the one photo in the WhatsApp. So
Okay. You can send. White to play. White to play in B.
R F8. Sir, any 6.
Or a bishop will kill the rook. Bishop will kill the rook.
Sir, any 6.
Any then queen to queen.
So bishop to
Pawn to queen. Sir, pawn to queen.
Then bishop here. What you are not got any advantage. White to play in B.
No, sir. Ne6, then bishop into queen.
Bishop into queen is there. Correct. Bishop into queen is there. Knight takes bishop will lose queen. Will kill the queen.
so knight into queen.
so bishop to h6.
No,
The
no,
queen into queen.
So knight into queen.
no, no. Bishop movement.
Sir, bishop to g5, sir. Bishop to g5.
Then queen into knight. What will you do? Queen into queen.
So pawn
Sir, then
into
bishop to e7. Bishop to e7.
e7.
Bishop g6. Now pawn to bishop. Pawn to
Yes, sir. Pawn into
pawn to
queen.
queen. One piece of for white. One piece of for white.
Pawn to queen.
Correct. One piece of for white. Correct. White to plain bin. White to plain bin.
Sir, bishop into pawn.
Bishop into pawn.
Yes, so bishop into pawn.
King into pawn. King into bishop.
Sir, then
Sir, then rook into rook. Rook into rook,
No,
sir.
no.
sir, queen to h5.
QF5. QF5.
Queen to h5.
So queen to
No, rook movement.
The
Yes, sir. Rook into
RE7.
rook, sir.
RE7.
Into rook.
Strong. Then
The RE7.
R7
RE7.
is
Rook to
R7 is good. R7 is good.
RC7, sir.
Yes. Now queen c7, unstoppable checkmate is there.
Yes, sir.
Queen f5. What is the
Oh.
unstoppable checkmate?
Yes, sir.
Now king moves, then rook into queen, rook into checkmate. What is the?
Yes, sir.
What is the? No?
Sir, what if king doesn't kill?
So if queen,
Sir, what if king doesn't kill?
King doesn't kill, bishop will go to kill the rook. Rook will kill the rook and you will get a queen. You will get a queen. What is the?
How, sir?
sir.
No, queen is gone. Queen is trapped. Check is there. What is the?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
yes, sir, the queen is trapped.
Trapped.
Fork, no, sir.
It is not fork. It is skewer and oh, no, not skewer. Double attack, double attack, double attack, double attack. King and rook queen are attacked. Double attack.
So that when I send the photo, no, I was playing so good. I'm
With whom?
I'm playing
With
so
whom?
good.
With whom? Hello?
Not more, sir.
With
I
whom?
am playing so good
With whom?
with my father, sir.
With your father.
Because now just one move was left, he did like that.
I'll
Okay,
check. I'll
then
check.
if I give a check, then it'll be checkmate.
Okay, okay. I'll check. Very good. Are you learning?
What, sir?
Are you learning chess? Black.
Yes, sir. I'm learning every day. I play with my father and learn some moves.
Black to play in win. I'll flip the board. Black to play.
So white, no, black.
Black to play. Black to play.
So bishop to h4.
H4. Then knight into h4. That is wrong.
So pawn to d3.
Or
Pawn to
Shaurya told it.
B4.
Very good, Shaurya. Correct. D3. ED3. What will you do?
so pawn that knight to b4.
Knight to b4. Knight to b4.
And D4.
No, sir,
D4,
knight to
and
d4.
D4,
So your
sir.
voice is
D4.
breaking.
Sir, knight to d2.
Knight to d4. Then queen d1. What will you do? Queen d1. What will you do?
So b4. So b4.
No, sir, knight into bishop. Knight into
Knight
bishop.
to bishop. Okay. Queen to bishop.
Sir, then knight to
Four.
f3.
Knight f3. 4. Knight f3.
So knight f3, sir.
Knight f3. 4. Okay. Also,
So whatever do, the queen will get killed.
yes, or one piece of for black. Knight d4, queen here, knight into bishop, queen to bishop, queen to knight is no, if it doesn't kill, then the queen is trapped.
Yeah.
So can you show it from first?
Trapped.
Sir,
First d3, now pawn to d3, knight d4. Now queen moves, knight into bishop.
So wait, sir. Now okay.
The bishop is lost.
Okay.
Bishop is
please,
flawed. Now queen is attacked. Queen is to be protected. Now knight into bishop. बताता?
Escape.
Sir, if
Sir,
If
queen can
queen-
escape.
Queen can escape, but
so
one piece,
I was going to tell that.
one piece is down. One piece down. No.
Yeah,
Now we
sir.
can take the rook also if the queen
Okay,
escapes.
also you can take. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
Rook or the queen is going to go.
Okay, sir. Queen has gone. White to play in bin. White to play in bin.
sir,
RF8, RF8.
RF8.
No, sir, no, sir.
Sir, bishop to
Bishop to
C2.
C3.
to
C2,
check.
sir. Bishop to C2.
Bishop to white to play.
So
Sorry.
bishop to
Yeah, sir,
C2.
BC2, BC2.
Sir, RF8.
So bishop to C2 check.
BC2, BC2.
Sir, bishop to C2 check,
Now
sir.
king g8. King g8.
So then rook to F8. Rook to F8.
Right. Rook into f8.
Sir,
Sir, BH7.
B7 is wrong.
sir, bh3.
Sir, bishop.
BB3. BB3.
B3, sir. Bishop to B3.
Now rook moves, then pawn push queen. Correct. Correct.
Yeah, that's what sir I was telling, but I was getting confused.
Yes, yes,
Maybe
correct.
there can be some other way also.
No, that's the only way. That is the only way.
And we can also get the rook, sir.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, or a
Yes.
however, it's going to be checkmate. If he moves to king moves to h7, then bishop
Not
gives
true.
checkmate.
Queen.
Bishop gives checkmate.
Correct, correct.
No, sir, bishop.
No, check. First you kill the rook, then you will. Black to plain bin. Bold. Black to plain bin.
To play and win.
1 minute. I go to restroom. 1 minute. I go to restroom and come. Okay. Only 1 minute.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. should move queen to queen into pawn. I should move.
Black to play. Black to play.
Sir, rook to rook.
Pawn into bishop.
The queen to
Bishop,
c2.
pawn into
Queen
bishop.
c2.
Pawn into
Queen
bishop.
c2, sir.
The bishop into rook.
The
Sir,
queen
bishop
c2.
into rook.
Pawn into
The queen c2.
Sir,
Sir,
bishop
rook to rook.
in-
Sir, I got it.
bishop
Q
into
Tell me.
Queen
C2,
c2.
Q
Queen
C2,
c2, sir. Queen c2.
Black to play.
C2,
Queen
the bishop into
Q2,
rook,
sir.
sir.
Queen
C2.
c2.
Q C2.
Then look into queen.
Sir, then knight to
B3, NB3,
NB3. Then pawn to knight.
Sir, rook,
Sir,
rook
then
into
rook
rook,
into rook,
into rook.
checkmate.
I'm telling. Sir, bishop into rook.
Correct. Correct.
Bishop into yeah. It's checkmate now.
Queen. Correct. I'll show it once again. Queen c2. Now rook into c2 forced. Now knight b3.
So
Now
why can't the bishop kill the
bishop p1, bishop kills, then also it will be same problem, same thing. Then rook d1 checkmate. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
forced mate.
Forced mate. Black to play and win. Black to play and win. Black to play. Black to play.
the rook into rook?
Knight to
The queen
A2.
to d. The queen d1.
Queen d1. Queen d1 is correct. Who told that? Someone told
Sir,
correctly.
someone.
Now rook into d1.
So then
Sir, then knight
so
to.
knight into rook, sir. Knight into rook.
No, sir, not knight into rook.
NB3,
Sir, knight.
Then e2 is
Sir, knight into queen.
Sir,
Knight
knight
into
to
queen.
e2, sir. Knight
knight
to
into
e2.
Knight
e2
to
is correct.
Sir, bishop.
Now bishop e2.
Sir, knight b3.
Knight b3 checkmate. Correct.
So knight b3, sir.
Knight b3 checkmate.
Sir,
I'll show
what
it
if
again.
the king moves?
1 minute. What? Queen d1. What do you do? King rook is forced
Sir,
to
rook
check.
into.
Now knight here checked. What
Sir,
bishop
what
is
if
moved.
king moves? King moves.
Where can king move? King cannot move anywhere. King cannot move anywhere.
Sir.
Sir, c2,
Okay,
c2.
sir.
c2 it cannot go. Knight is there. Knight is there. It can't come here also.
So the bishop can kill the knight now, sir.
Bishop can kill the knight. Then knight b3 checkmate. Did you get it?
Both bishops are
Yes,
covering
sir.
the
Yes.
sir.
Two bishops are covering the other spots.
Black to play and win. Black to play and win.
It is same like this only, sir, but he had only one. My father had only one move, so he played like that.
Okay. Black to play.
Sir, knight to pawn.
Knight to pawn.
Knight to f4.
What?
Into pawn. Knight to
Knight to-
f4.
Knight to f4. Bishop into knight.
The bishop into knight, then the pawn into bishop, sir.
Then there is no advantage. No advantage is there. So to create advantage. And win.
So got it.
So bishop into pawn.
Step into knight. Bishop
Knight.
into knight.
Bishop into pawn.
The knight into g3. Knight to
Knight to
g3, sir.
g3. Who told that? Shaurya told correct.
Shaurya, sir.
Knight
Shaurya.
g3. King g3. What will you do now?
The bishop into knight.
Bishop into knight.
Into knight.
Bishop into knight. What will you do? Rook e1.
Sir, rook into knight.
Rook into knight. Now what will you do?
Rook into rook, sir.
Rook
Rook
into
into
rook.
You are one rook.
The
up.
rook into rook.
One piece of exchange up. One rook up. Exchange up. Aita, did you get it?
Oh, okay, sir. Sir, what if
So
king
what
into
if he doesn't take his knight, sir?
it is forced to take, no? Like otherwise,
Or else he loses queen or rook.
queen or rook will
That's a
go.
four.
This
Oh,
it is four teacher. It is forced to take. Now it is now bishop into knight. Rook is forced to take. Now rook into rook. Can I go to next problem?
So how it's forced to
Yes, sir.
take?
It is check, no? It is fork. Fork. Queen or rook.
Yeah, sir. Yeah.
Queen or rook will go.
Sir, now king into knight. Sir.
King into knight, then bishop e1 check. You are one exchange up. You have got an exchange.
Sir, now rook into knight.
Rook into bishop. Rook into knight is not possible.
Sir, rook into bishop, sir.
Whatever you do,
Your rook
then
is
Sir,
rook
pawn
is
into
not-
pawn into pawn. Sir, down.
pawn to pawn, then it is wrong. Then bishop will kill the pawn.
Sir,
Your queen rook will be protected. First rook into rook is correct.
sir, now pawn into pawn.
Now you can do pawn to pawn.
No, pawn into pawn, sir.
Now exchange up. No, white is exchange up. Black is exchange up. Can I go to next problem?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
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 White to play in win. White
Why to play?
to play.
Can you flip the board, please?
White to play. White to play.
Sir, queen to
The
d.
knight to
NF6.
NF6, then bishop will kill the knight. White to play. White to play in
Sir, I
win.
think end d6. End d6.
ND6 also wrong. Then rook will come here. Queen movement.
Sir,
First,
knight
white
into
movement
bishop.
must
the
move
queen
queen.
to h5.
Sir, queen to
Sir,
d5.
knight into
Queen to
bishop. Knight
D7
into
is correct.
C5.
Queen to D7.
ND.
Queen D7 is correct. Queen D7. So queen,
ND7.
now queen even.
Sir, queen into bishop checkmate.
No, check.
Sir, no, sir.
This
The
problem.
King is check. Now king F2. Now bishop D6. What will you do? No, bishop D6. What will you do?
Sir, knight into bishop.
No, bishop movement. Bishop movement.
Sir, bishop into
Bishop
pawn.
Bishop into
Bishop
pawn,
into
sir.
D6.
Bishop into pawn.
Bishop to pawn.
Bishop into pawn.
Correct.
Unstoppable next.
Unstoppable checkmate.
Sir, I told it's Shaurya.
Correct. White to play in win. White to play in win.
Sir, knight to E. Sir, no.
Think and answer.
Sir, again I will send another photo, okay?
Okay. You send it.
Sir, knight t7. Knight
The
t7.
advantage of the pawn.
Knight
Sir,
is
knight t7.
white to play.
Yes.
White to play. Knight
Yes,
is one.
sir,
Then
white.
queen to knight is
Okay.
here. Queen to knight is here.
The queen B3.
Queen
B3.
B3 then queen to queen.
Sir, now knight
then-
e7.
No. King is
No, sir.
Sir,
Sir,
now
knight.
Knight f7. Knight
Knight
f7
No, sir,
checkmate.
it's wrong.
Sir, checkmate.
You hear this problem, sir.
in the WhatsApp. No.
Queen into
No.
rook.
Performance is queen D2. Queen D2. No
In
queen.
D2, then the
Queen
queen will it's forced to kill the queen. Then
Now knight here check. Now
the knight goes again like that. Then checkmate like that.
Knight
the same
F7.
way.
Correct.
Two knight checkmate.
Okay. White to play in win. White to play in win. White
sir,
to play.
pawn into pawn.
Pawn to pawn. Pawn to pawn. Rook into pawn. That's
Sir,
wrong.
bishop to bishop.
No, bishop to bishop is there. Bishop into bishop is there. It is wrong.
Sir,
The
knight
pawn
to
D5.
f7, knight to f7,
The
sir.
pawn
Knight to
D5.
f7.
The
Pawn
pawn to
D5
D5.
also.
F7,
Rook movement.
sir.
Rook movement.
The rook into
Sir,
pawn.
Rook
Rook into
f7,
pawn.
rook
Rook
f7,
into
sir.
pawn.
Rook f7, rook f7, sir.
RD rook into knight. Rook into knight. Now you can produce a discovered check and get a rook free. You can get a
So I told rook to
Sir, rook
f7.
into bishop, rook into bishop.
into
The rook
bishop.
into bishop. Rook into bishop.
The rook into bishop.
King into rook. Now
Then
Now
the
Pawn into pawn, pawn
Pawn
into
into
pawn.
pawn into
pawn into
Discovered
pawn,
check.
sir.
Discovered check. No, king moves.
So
Pawn
pawn
to-
into rook.
So then pawn into rook.
Pawn into rook, sir.
Correct.
We are one knight advantage, one bishop advantage.
One bishop advantage. Correct.
But we can take this
Two
that
pawns
pawn. Sir.
advantage.
Black to play in win. Bold. Black to play.
So queen into knight.
Queen into knight.
So queen into queen.
Queen to queen. Then
Bishop
pawn
to
to
knight.
Pawn into
Sorry, sir,
queen,
not
sir.
King to knight.
No, sir, not queen into queen, sir.
queen.
So
So
queen to
queen
knight.
into knight.
Queen to knight.
King
Okay.
to knight.
Pawn
The
to queen.
queen into knight.
Sir, RB1 mate.
So then rook to
No,
b1.
RB1. The RB1.
D1.
So now
No,
pawn
bishop
and-
c3,
bishop
bishop
into
c3,
pawn base.
bishop
Bishop
c3,
D3.
bishop c3.
Bishop
Bishop C3.
3.
Wait,
Bishop
sir.
C3, sir.
Correct. Can I show it once again?
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Queen to
Sir,
C3.
what if pawn doesn't kill?
Then you are piece down, no? You are been piece down.
So that was the same move my father played. There was no move, but there was a queen.
Yes.
Just block it. So I gave the another side check.
Okay. So it is forced to check. King moves, rook moves, bishop C3. Black to play in win. Black to play in win. Black to play in win.
Sir, what is today's trial tournament?
Trail tournament just to make sure that everybody understand what is tournament. Trail tournament.
Okay, sir.
Sir, make it as
Sir, at
round
what
wise.
time
Sir.
is it?
What's the meaning of trial?
8 o'clock.
tournament?
8 o'clock. 8 o'clock.
So when,
Okay,
sir?
sir.
So when,
normal
sir?
tournament.
Huh? Exact
I mean,
actual tournament is on August 15th.
Sir, is that
Sir,
the
when is
normal
trial
tournament?
tournament, sir?
Yeah, it is normal tournament. Just to understand this one.
Okay, sir.
He will join today.
Sir, is it like round type, sir? Only one player
Arena,
can
arena,
play.
arena.
So make it as round type, sir. 5
Round type
rounds
it
for
will be
every-
Sir,
problem
on that
because
day also
of
it is arena only, no, sir?
arena is better.
Yes, sir.
Can I chant mantra?
Sir, I
Can-
have one doubt, sir.
Yeah, what is that?
Okay,
doubt?
sir.
Sudha?
Sir, we will have August 15 tournament, no, sir?
Yes.
At that time, should we participate? Which time we should we participate, sir?
8 o'clock. 8 o'clock to 9:30.
Okay, sir.
So after this meeting, you can be with your phone because I'm going to send it.
It's okay. It's okay. Okay. Can I chant mantra?
The
Yes.
queen to pawn.
Okay.
Okay.
नमस्तनंता शास्त्रमूर्ते शास्त्रपदक शिरोभावी शास्त्रनामने पुरुषा शास्त्र शास्त्र कुटुगिदारणी नमः ओम शांति शांति शांति. Thank you everybody. How was the class?
Sir,
Nice,
It was
sir.
nice.
Very nice.
It was good.
Thank you.
I'll send the photo.
Okay.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye,
Bye.
sir. Have a nice day.
Bye. Thank you. Thank you.
Bye, sir.